Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic data structures, combine arrays with a spread operator. Another huge advantage of the spread operator is the ability to combine arrays or to insert all elements of one array into another at any index. With more traditional syntax, we can concatenate arrays, but this only allows us to combine arrays at the end of one and at the start of another. A spread syntax makes the following syntax extremely simple. In this case, we have this array which contains 4 elements, and we can use this to create another array which can is named here that array, which contains other elements beside the elements of this array. Using a spread syntax, we have just achieved an operation that we would have been more complex and more verbose had we used the traditional methods. Task for this challenge, we have defined a function spread out that returns the variable sentence. Modify the function using the spread operator so that it returns the array. Learning to code is fun. So in this case, we use equal to, we put a bracket so that it forms array, and learning comma use a spread operator with fragment and each and one element. And let's run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.